This is a 2007 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Features include 18-inch alloy wheels, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, a power passenger seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Come experience the Drive Baby Advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.